Do we really need a drama school? One could say that drama has existed before drama schools, right? But how many people are losing the opportunity to do drama because there is no drama school?
Formal training is absolutely crucial for the theatre. There are no born actors. I earlier was hesitant about this, but today I absolutely refuse to believe there is a born actor. Acting is a craft that requires training and method. You can be born with sensibilities of an actor. That's one of the elements of acting. That doesn't mean you're born as an actor.
I think formal training needs to give actors the tools, whether it's deconstruction of an idea into its bits, whether it's conceptual thinking, whether it is the ability to find ways to express through the body, through the sound. I think formal training at its best would give you that.
As actors, our body is our instrument. If you're a musician, for example, you have an instrument to practice and you do your riyaz every day. But as an actor, what riyaz do you do every day? Theatre really helps you to do that. Whether it's vocal exercises, body exercises, taking in the space around you. It just makes you much more aware of your instrument, which is your body.
ट्रेनिंग से आपको एक सिस्टम मिलता है, अपना काम करने का सिस्टम मिलता है, आपको एक ऑब्जेक्टिव मिलता है, आपको एक दृष्टि मिलती है, एक पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है. तो इस सब के लिए ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
I was lucky to benefit from great teaching that had structure, that had technique. I was lucky to have very good teachers, and what they brought into a classroom every day was rigor, was clarity of thought. They gave me skills, they didn't just give me theory. It could be seen in the body immediately, it could be seen in the voice immediately, it could be seen in the way I created work or I critiqued work.
मेरी चाह थी कि मैं फॉर्मल एजुकेशन लूँ, क्योंकि मुझे 15 साल नहीं देने थे. मुझे 2 साल में सीखकर 15 साल का काम करना था.
The Drama School Mumbai was built to fulfill a need, and it was built by people who had a certain level of capability.
No other school in India has so many practitioners teaching.
The one-year course is the first time we felt that we've managed to achieve a certain level of training and a certain learning journey and experience from which you can truly go off and start to practice theatre.
It's a rigorous course. You start early morning and you finish in the evening. It can take quite a toll on the body and the mind, perhaps even the soul. But I think it's a good immersion of yourself in the craft.
My grandfather used to say to me, you do what you want in life, but whatever you're going to do, be the best at it. And I think that's an ethic that we want to teach anybody who comes through the drama school.
When I started studying very classical form and then moved into a very contemporary style, I started realizing there are different facets of different style that can come together and really feed me to create new work. And that's essentially what drama school is doing.
इंस्टीट्यूट बनी ही इसलिए कि आप अलग अलग रास्ते जान लो और बाद में काम करते वक्त उनमें से जो कोई रास्ता है जो मेरे पसंद आए वो आप तय कर लो.
So it doesn't matter if Deepal Doshi comes from Comedia, or if Foize comes from Laban, or whether Kalyani Mule comes in and works with Navrasa, or whether Pooja comes from Helios, because they're using that towards the same foundations.
In a year, I got to see so many things. There was movement, there was text, there's direction, there's devising.
जब मैं आया था तो एक खाली बैग था मेरे पास. अब यहाँ से निकलने के बाद मेरे पास बहुत चीज़ें हैं उस बैग में. वो टूल्स है मेरे जो मैं अलग अलग जगह पे इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ, जो शायद पहले बहुत कम थे.
No matter what the scene is, no matter what they're auditioning for, no matter what they're trying to create, there's always something they can like look into the little bag and be like, oh, I remember, oh that, oh maybe that works here, oh that doesn't, oh there's something else, oh that, oh maybe that sort of works, oh how about mixing this with that.
अगर मैं यहाँ पे मिलता ही नहीं इतने सारी फैकल्टी से, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता कि इतनी सारी चीजें भी हैं और मुझ में भी वो थोड़े थोड़े रंग हैं.
If you are not experimental with your pedagogy, if you're not using the best of what India has to offer in terms of its folk, contemporary and classic forms, as well as what the West has, and people who've gone abroad and come back. If you're not exercising all those explorations, it would seem just to be a pity.
TMLs are the best part of DSM, I think. TMLs are theatre making laboratories. हर जो हफ्ते में एक परफॉर्मेंस देना होता है, परफॉर्मेंस क्रिएट करना होता है बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को, और वो खुद परफॉर्मेंस क्रिएट करते हैं, वो उसमें से हमें पता चलता है कि इसमें क्या कंफ्यूजन है उनको, एंड हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट.
They make smaller groups within themselves, 2 3 या कभी पूरा ensemble एक साथ होता है. And whatever they have learned, they apply it there. Making theatre is also learning process. वो एक understand करने की बात है, मतलब performance नहीं बना रहे. Like, of course वो watchable होना चाहिए, उसके context पूरे clear होने चाहिए, उसमें कोई performer को on stage कोई confusion नहीं, why he is doing that and why he is not doing this. ये सारी चीजें हैं. बट ये फन और लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस एक साथ हो सकता है.
What drama school is doing is it's taking a holistic approach.
We are not training actors. We are training theatre makers. We are training people who will be part of theatre, will be making theatre.
As actors, it's a competitive industry. You can be proactive to an extent in the sense that you can, send out audition tapes and meet people, etc., etc. But at the same time, you're reliant on a director or a casting director. If you have knowledge of the theatre making process, you don't have to wait for that. You can just go out there and continue your own growth and your own journey and your own learning experiences.
One of the beautiful things that I think that is immediately happening is that the alumni are graduating and becoming part of a wider community of faculty and alumni from different batches, working together, making theatre together.
I, as a practitioner, the first thing, if I'm thinking of casting, the first thing I think of is, can I fit in someone that I know from the drama school? Because I understand the process they've been through, and I understand that they are open to learning.
In the school, your body goes through a rigorous waking up process. So there is something about their presence that they're just like ready and alert, which is really lovely to have.
Certainly gives you a lot of credit कि अरे ये थिएटर से हैं, आप तो थिएटर वाले हैं, तो अपने आप ही आपकी एक तो इज्जत इतनी होती है, तो there is certain amount of confidence that the industry has, the respect. तो आप ये मान लीजिए आसान भाषा में कि CV में 5 points तो आपको थिएटर के ही मिल गए.
Formal training opens up one thing, and I believe that very strongly: excellence of work. Excellence of work invites audiences. More audiences coming in makes your theatre thrive. So it's professional. You can be a professional theatre actor. You can really be a professional theatre practitioner. You can make a living out of this.
If you want to be a doctor, you train. If you want to be a lawyer, you train. If you want to be an artist, you train. It is a craft, and the craft requires craftsmanship, and craftsmanship requires teaching and training, and there's no better way to do it than in a school.